Hello, Vettsy babes. The Vettsy Spring Mystery Box has arrived. Rumor has it, there's a whole secret garden hidden inside. Today, we're not just doing an unboxing to see what treasures await. I'm also sharing 4 stunning tutorials to show you exactly how to wear the season on your nails. Let's dive in. A bright green gel and shimmer gel. A spring rainbow cat eye gel and a blooming gel. A highly pigmented yellow gel paint. Romantic flower opal flake set. Add an organic touch with our crushed shells. This nails sugar like morning frost on flowers. This glitters offer a mineral-inspired shine. Sweet star glitters, a pocket full of starlight. These gems are the ultimate charm for your spring manicure. Channel timeless elegance with our opulent pearl flowers. Some charms with shifting rainbow finish. Show love for your furry besties with these cute charms. Get creative this spring with our 3D gem box. Our candy pearls add texture and joy to any manicure. Catch every ray of sunlight with laser transfer foil. These gems are perfect for creating modern patterns that stand out. Get perfect 3D flowers in seconds with this mold. Our nail dust brush is ultra soft on the skin. Nail files make reshaping a breeze. Say goodbye to messy desks and lost gems. Level up your spring set instantly with our stickers. This flower magnet brings the garden indoors. A little something extra, just for you. Unboxing complete. Inspiration loading. Let's see what you can create. Set 1, Secret Garden. Start by applying a base coat. Randomly scatter some shell fragments. To achieve a high-end finish, carefully encapsulate irregular opal flakes over a sheer base, creating a mesmerizing, shimmering effect. Now, position dried flowers and overlay it with gel to encapsulate the flowers. Add your favorite charms and then seal the layer. Set 2, Spring Awakening. Fill the mold with clear gel and cure. Once released, bring the 3D flowers to life by delicately tinting the petals with a blend of soft yellow and verdant green gels. Switch to a glittery base color. Adhere the flower onto the nail. Nestle some tiny pearls right in the heart of the blossom. Set 3, Clover Luxe. Over a milky white base, define a French tip using clear gel. Then, evenly spread the nail sugar and cure, ensuring an ethereal glow. Dust off the excess and anchor a metallic 4-leaf clover charm. Set 4, Diamond Rain. Apply a coat of rainbow cat eye gel. Hover the magnet and move it around the edges to manipulate the particles into an aura effect. Pick up some rhinestones and place them on the nail to create a sparkling focal point. We hope this box brings you a spark of inspiration and some well-deserved self-care time. Take spring home today. See ya!